then I'm leaving my chains all behind. Then you brought me a woman right into my life, and we found out that love is full of heartache and strife. The jagged edges wear down the more that they grow. So now I'm leaving my chains all behind. It's okay, baby, to change what you think. Change can be good, no, it don't